Hello viewers, today I am going to show how to process your proton NMR and carbon NMR through MNova software, or it's called MstReNova. So double click this software and you will see this open like this. It is a licensed software, but many university or academia, they offer free, so you can easily use this software. So first it will open like this, and it may ask like, MNova comes now with an optional new modern user interface, so we believe that it greatly facilitates the user experience. Would you like it to give it a try? So you can give it a try, or normally if you don't, normally it also shows like this. So this is like very old version interface, but the modern interface looks really nice, and all the tools you will see easily, like whatever you need. It's a very robust, strong software if you want to use for the NMR process, and you can do many things, trust me, with this software. So it's a very very nice software. So I will put yes, and it may change, like interface have changed, restart the application to see the changes. You can say okay. So I can restart it. Oh, okay, now it will show that interface, so you can see all those things by this way. And sorry, okay, so you will see this way. Now you can open the file by clicking file, and open by clicking open, or you can just simply drag this file in this software. So you can open any here. Suppose you can go to the folder, whatever the NMR you want to open. So now first time I'm going to open the proton NMR. So just go to the FID, drag the FID here, and then you can minimize this, and you can see this way. One more thing, for the very beginner, you will get many things, like I'm just showing everything. Okay, so for first time user, you might see like this software is like this. You have grid, horizontal and vertical grid from the, you can, so like this. But sometimes I don't like this this grid, and many people also don't like this grid. So what you can do, once you open it, let me start again. So from that, I'm going to the NMR, and I will drag the FID to here. Just leave it. Oh, actually I made this as a default, so that's why it is not showing this grid. So what I was trying to show, so once you open the Spectra, even if you have the grid, so click the right mouse, then go down and click properties. Okay, so in general, I check out the title, because you see the title is there. Sometimes some people show the title, sometimes some people don't show the title. So I normally take up the title, then the grid. So I already take up all those grid, like show vertical, show horizontal, or frame, or whatever. And if you take out anything, and then if you go down and click set as a default, so next time you will not see those. So what I did, I just removed the grids and I put set as a default. And for the 1D NMR, you can change the spectra color. Here it is like a kind of magenta color or something, like reddish color. So you can change this color by clicking like how your NMR should look, because this NMR, see, it is kind of reddish. Then scale, horizontal, So horizontal means this scale should be there, and vertical, I already removed the vertical axis, so it will not be there. And there are also some other things like peaks, integrals, multiplates, integrates, fitting, assignment, and prediction. So those things are very required, so we have to do this. So now first of all, just to make sure that I will remove the vertical label like scale, and grid, I remove the grids, and general, I remove the title, and then I will click apply and okay. So you will see just simply this spectra. So now we are going to process this whole spectra. Also we will extract the data from this spectra. Let's see how we can do that. So this is the NMR. Now I will do the integration, peak, and then multiplate and extract the data. So by clicking Z, you can make this version to make zoom. So now click right mouse, you can click face correction, automatic, and again right mouse click integration. You can do automatic, region, and optimal, manual. I prefer to do the manual. You can click here, or you can type I integral, and then just drag it from here to there. It will show 1. So you can move the cursor. See here, if you move here, then right mouse click edit integral. So I know this peak is for 2 protons, so I will change here for 2. Then I will select another proton, so it will be automatically show. I know it is for 4 protons, so it is automatically take 4, and here it is also 4, so it is showing 398, and this will be 4, so I'll check this as a, so it is showing 3.88, 4. Actually it will automatically change 4, and then you can click Z again. It will convert integral from to zoom version. Then you can make it full spectrum, then zoom it, and you can click I again to make it integral. So select this part, it should be 4 proton, and it should be also 4 proton. You can also check if you know it is completely 4 proton. You can change it by clicking here, by then 4, so it will automatically change the other. And then make full spectrum. So now you can click, you can cross it, you have all the integral. Now I can click Z again, so it will show my zoom version. So I will zoom this part, and this is the solvent peak. You can zoom it, and you can make this reference. So click right mouse click, then you will click the reference and take reference, then click it here, it will show the value. So change it, it is acetone, so I normally change it to 2.05 for the acetone. Okay, and click right mouse click full spectrum, and again Z means zoom. So I'll make this part. Now you can do one more thing. You can remove any solvent and other things from this spectra. This spectra will looks more better than the normal. So in that case, in NMR analysis, then go here, one which is Spectra Advanced. So if you click compound peaks, so it will show you the compound peaks. Also additional, those small peaks also will be selected. So you can remove the solvent is the reference solvent is gone, but all other small peaks you can remove this. So how? Go to the peak picking, go delete manually. So now it is showing like peak negative. See, peak negative. So if you select this, it will be gone. Again, if you select this, it will be gone. If you select this, it will be gone. If you select this, it will be gone. So overall, only your compound peak is there. And now, once you integrated your peak and you have the peak value, then you can click here, auto multiplate analysis. Here, if you click it, then it will show your multiplate splitting. So now you can click again Z to make zoom. So this is showing doublet of doublet, but actually my peak is not doublet of doublet. So what I can do, I can click on right mouse on that multiplicity and I will say edit multiplate, and now it is showing doublet of doublet with Z value. But if I change D to M, so it will show as a range, multiplate for each. So similar thing, I can full spectrum, I can zoom it again. So it is also showing doublet of doublet. I will right mouse it and edit multiplate, and I will change it to M. And again, I will do full spectrum, right mouse clicking, and you can rotate it from here. And then you can more zoom it. So here it is singlet, it's fine. It is doublet of doublet showing. I can keep doublet of doublet because it's doublet of doublet. This is also doublet of doublet, and it is showing triplet of triplet, but it looks little complicated. So I can change multiplate. So right mouse click on this, edit multiplate, and then here select this as a multiplate. So it will change the limit. So once it is done, then cross this one and make it full spectrum and zoom it as per you want. After zooming it, then one of this multiplate, any one of these, you can click on it, and you can see show table of multiplates or report multiplates. So it is showing here it is showing multiplate. So what you can do, go to the view and then select this one, hand with this cursor, and then click on it. So it will be selected like this. So you can copy it, and you can go to any Word file or like PowerPoint slide, and then you can paste it. So it will be showing like this, like the one we provide in the paper. So it is like a Journal of American Chemical Society format. You can also change that format from that software. So this is how we can take this, extract the data. Now if you want to show the spectra, so you can delete that multiplicity value, and also you can remove those things, and also the integral value from here, integral is curve from here. Two way. One is you can press Ctrl Z couple of times, then you will see those will be gone. Or if those are available, so you can right mouse click it, go to the properties. Now you can go to the multiplate, select multiplate, then click multiple levels, check out this one, and also go to the integrals, multiplate integrals, not the other integrals, multiplate integrals. Here just check out the curve and give apply. Then you will see those curve is gone and also the multiplate is gone, and you can click OK. So then you can right mouse it and you can copy this one, and you can copy it in the Word file or PowerPoint. Your Spectra is ready. So this is Spectra and this is the value for that. So this is the proton NMR you can process, and also you can click Z, then you can zoom some part if you want to see, and in that case even that peak value will be shown. But if you don't want to show the peak value in the zoom situation, go to the properties again and click peaks and check out the label, just remove it, apply. Okay, so now it is not showing any peak value. Then right mouse click, copy, and go to the file, and you can copy it here. So you can crop it and you can put it with this original Spectra with that one. So this is the way you can do the proton NMR processing with the data extracted. You can put those data in your SI or supporting information file. So this is the way you can do for the proton NMR. Now I am going to do the carbon NMR. So you can keep this proton here, and now if I want to do the carbon NMR, I just drag it here and full Spectra, so it is showing my carbon NMR. So here my the solvent is acetone. So what I can do, right mouse click, reference, and select reference, then click on it. It is showing 205.4258, but we know from the this JOC paper, you can see the chemical shift. So solvent signals acetone, so it is 206.26 plus minus 0.13. So I normally put 206.26. So I will select 206.26 and I will click OK, and then right mouse click, full Spectra, and now I will select those peak values. How? Right mouse click, go to the picking and manual threshold. So I'm clicking this one, and then I will just select the peak. It will be selected like this. Similarly, so see, those are selecting, and this is also selecting, and no other peak is there. So it is a whole Spectra. Now how can I extract this data for like that supporting info? So again, you can click on this auto multiplate analysis, click it. You will see these kind of things with something in the bottom like these values and those values. Don't worry, you can remove those things, but you only need those peaks. So click one of this, right mouse click, and go to again report multiplate, and you'll see something is here, and go to the view and select again the hand, and click on there, and you will see a box like this. So you can say, you can do Control X, so it will be done from here, and then you can put in the PowerPoint, select, paste it, so you will get the carbon value from there. Now how I'm going to take the spectra, so I can do two different way, like either I can click Ctrl Z, so it, that first value will be gone, again Ctrl Z, that things will be gone, then Ctrl Z, the whole values, the multiplicity values will be gone, but those values will be here. So what I can do, oh, I have the title, I don't want the title, so I will go to properties. So first general, and the title, I will check out this title. And also, if you don't want to remove those multiplicity by Ctrl Z, so you can go to the multiplates and you can check out this multiple level and integral. You can just check out curve and you can do apply. And if you don't want those kind of things again, so you can just put set as a default, or you can register anyway. So apply and okay. Now I have the carbon NMR with the carbon values here. So I just right mouse click, copy it, and go to the Word file or PowerPoint, and I'll put the spectra here. So it is showing like this. So this is the way you can do the carbon NMR processing with MstReNova software or MNova software, and you can also determine the carbon values from there. And you already have seen how I have done the proton values and how I did the proton. So these are very simple normal 1D proton and carbon NMR process by MstReNova software. Another day I will show how to do the 2D NMR process and also the DOSI process by this MstReNova. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button, and you will get more update on my video. Thank you again. Bye bye.